Anyway, hey there, I am Dewey Jones. I am a Colorado off-roader. I film scenic trail guides using a stock Jeep because I figure this is a good way to actually give you an indication of the trail's difficulty. However, today is a failed trail guide. It's a failed trail guide from Moab of the whitewashed sand dunes. We had a little oops there, and I'm going to show you it. I'm going to show you why I did not want to post this video. And if you stick around to the very end, I'm going to give you a special sneak peek at the next Colorado trail guide, which should be coming up soon.
Right. I don't know if that's right.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck's wrong, but go now.
Go, 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 go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. I know I talk a lot of crap about Toyota, but we got to give Toyota some major props because they got that Jeep Cherokee out of here. And these are the crew right here.
Toyota _built.
Yeah, we'll put all their stuff on there. Go check them out. They have Instagrams, YouTubes, all kinds of good stuff. So we'll have that all listed in this video. And just know, Toyota guys, I am joking. Toyotas are awesome, but... Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, I do apologize for rushing it a bit, but I have 3 awesome trail guides that I need to make, and I need to make some space for them, so I had to get this one out. And yeah, you know, if you're into Colorado off-roading or just Colorado scenery and want to see some unique off-roading action, then definitely recommend hitting that subscribe button. And you may want to put on that bell notification button too, because they're gonna be good. But if not, no worries. Have a great day, and later. Bye.